What if your garden could almost take care of itself, and thirsty plants drank their fill while you were fast asleep? Hidden in plain sight are game-changing inventions that turn back-breaking work into something close to magic. Let's find out together. Some weeds don't give up without a fight. That's where the root assassin earns its name. It's a lightweight, serrated shovel designed to slice through roots like butter. The secret is its curved saw-like teeth that cut in both directions, making it perfect for digging deep or ripping out stubborn plants, roots and all. Your hands stay clean, your back stays happy, and the weeds never come back. And if weeds aren't your problem, maybe protecting your plants from the elements is. Raised beds are great until critters and weather ruin your hard work. The Vego Garden cover system solves that in one move. It's a modular frame with durable mesh or clear covers, so you can protect plants from pests, frost, and even heavy rain. Swap covers as the season changes, mesh in summer, greenhouse film in winter. It's like giving your garden its own personal fortress. Of course, even the best fortress needs a reliable groundskeeper. Picture a robotic lawn helper that doesn't just mow, it learns. The WillowX uses advanced mapping and sensors to navigate your yard, cutting grass efficiently while avoiding flower beds, pets, and lawn furniture. It even adapts its roots over time, so your lawn looks freshly manicured without you lifting a finger. Quiet, electric, and self-charging, it's like a Roomba, but for your grass. And while WillowX handles the lawn, here's something to keep pests at bay. Summer evenings in the garden can be perfect until the mosquitoes crash the party. The Dino Trap lures them in with UV light and CO2, then traps them quietly without any zapping noise or chemicals. It works day and night, covering a wide area so you can enjoy your outdoor space without the itchy consequences. Now that the pests are gone, it's time to get some planting done without breaking your back. Forget bending over with a hand trowel. The Kicker Digger lets you use your foot to power through soil, making it easy to dig precise holes for planting. It's shaped like a small shovel, but with a kick plate for extra force, perfect for bulbs, seedlings, or fence posts in tough ground. Less strain, faster work, better holes, simple as that. And if your garden includes chickens, this next one will make coop maintenance a breeze. If you keep chickens, you know cleaning the coop can be the worst part. The Nesta Coupe makes it almost effortless. It's built from 100% recycled plastic, so it won't rot or warp, and the smooth surfaces mean waste doesn't stick. You can hose it down in minutes, plus it's insulated for comfort in every season. Your flock stays healthier, and you stay cleaner. Now, let's tackle one of the most time-consuming chores, leaf cleanup. Raking leaves is fine if you have all day. The Aerob Broom takes a different approach. It blasts air downward through its wide nozzle, pushing leaves, dirt, and debris off your lawn or driveway fast. Because it's ergonomically balanced, you can work longer without arm fatigue. Think of it as a jet engine for your yard chores. And when winter hits, you'll want something just as powerful for splitting firewood. Splitting firewood can be back-breaking and dangerous. The Smart Log Splitter uses a guided striking system that focuses the impact exactly where it's needed, splitting logs with fewer swings and less effort. No more swinging wildly with an axe, just controlled, repeatable power every time. And we're only halfway through. The next gadgets aren't just smart, they'll make you wonder how you ever managed a garden without them. Moving seedlings without damaging them is an art, and the Terotech Transplanter turns it into science. Its narrow, spring-loaded jaws scoop up the plant and root ball in one smooth motion, letting you drop it into a new hole without crushing delicate stems. It's fast, precise, and perfect for anyone starting veggies or flowers from seed. And once they're in the ground, here's a way to make sure they're perfectly watered. Watering schedules can be tricky, especially when you're away. The Eve Aqua is a smart water controller that attaches to any outdoor faucet. Set it to run automatically, control it from your phone, or let it adjust based on weather data. It's like hiring a personal gardener who never forgets. Keeping the lawn trimmed is just as important as keeping it watered. Sometimes a regular lawnmower just doesn't cut it literally. The Cub Cadet riding mower is built for power and precision, handling large yards, steep slopes, and thick grass without bogging down. Comfortable seating, smooth steering, and a powerful engine make mowing feel less like a chore and more like a joyride. And for close-up garden work, comfort is key. Weeding and planting can destroy your knees and back. The garden kneeler flips between a padded kneeling pad and a raised seat, so you can work low to the ground without pain. It folds flat for storage and even has side pockets for tools. Once you use it, you'll never go back to crouching in the dirt. But when weeds fight back, sometimes you need a more fiery solution. Some weeds laugh at herbicides. The Flame King Weed Burner wipes the grin right off. It shoots a controlled flame that instantly wilts and kills weeds down to the root. No bending, no chemicals, just a satisfying whoosh and they're gone. It's also great for clearing driveways, gravel paths, and fence lines. If you're worried about safety while pruning, this next tool has you covered. Pruning shears are sharp, sometimes too sharp. The Infco contactless safety system adds a layer of tech to protect you. Wear its special conductive glove, and if your hand gets too close to the blades, the shears stop instantly. It's quick, precise pruning with peace of mind built in. Speaking of quick, here's a clever way to clean up fallen debris in seconds. Picking up acorns, nuts, or even golf balls can be surprisingly annoying. The StabANut makes it fun, just jab the device into the ground. And its flexible tines grab the debris. Empty it with a simple tap and keep going without bending over. It's one of those gadgets you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Well, if you like precision, you'll love the next tool for monitoring your garden's health. Guessing when to water or fertilize is a gamble. The Edin Wi-Fi garden sensor takes the guesswork out. It monitors soil moisture, sunlight, humidity, and nutrients, then sends real-time recommendations straight to your phone. It's like having a garden coach living right in your soil. While that keeps your plants thriving, here's a way to see who visits them. Wildlife visits your garden more often than you think. The Petal Camera is a weatherproof, motion-activated camera that captures high-resolution photos and videos of every visitor, from birds to raccoons to that neighbor's cat. It's a fun way to see what really happens when you're not around. For those who spend hours pruning, the next gadget will save your hands. Hand pruning can be slow and exhausting. The Komach electric pruning shears cut through branches effortlessly with a trigger press. They're lightweight, rechargeable, and powerful enough for thick stems, making them perfect for orchard work, grapevines, or overgrown shrubs. Your hands will thank you after a day's work. Your tools can handle the heavy lifting outdoors, but smart planning ensures all that hard work pays off. Planning a vibrant garden should feel exciting, not overwhelming. The Heirloom crop planning software helps you design your planting schedule, companion planting layout, and harvest timeline with intuitive tools perfect for heirloom veggies and flowers. It tracks plant varieties, growing zones, and crop rotation plans, so you avoid planting errors and maximize your yield. Think of it as your digital garden coach, organizing your entire season before you ever set foot outside. So there you have it, the clever inventions that can completely change the way you think about gardening. From tools that make tough jobs effortless to gadgets that quietly work behind the scenes, each one brings a little more joy, efficiency, and even creativity to your outdoor space. Some are all about saving time, like devices that water, weed, or prune without you lifting a finger. Others make the hard labor easier on your back, your knees, and your patience. And a few are just plain fun to use, turning everyday chores into moments you might actually look forward to. The real question is, which one would earn a place in your shed or garage first? Would you go for something that saves you hours every week, or a clever little helper that just makes the job feel lighter? Let me know your pick in the comments. I read every one, and I'm always curious to see which gadgets catch your eye. If you found something new today, hit that like button. It really helps this channel grow and keeps us bringing you more. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next round of smart problem-solving tools that make life easier.